So I'm in the mood for pancakes. It's Sunday morning. I don't want to make 2 batches of pancakes, so I'm doing one where my infant and toddler can also enjoy the pancakes as well. In this bowl, I have 1 egg whisk, some almond flour, banana, but the difference is today I didn't have regular banana. I have frozen bananas, so I diced up 1 frozen banana, and that's how I sweeten my pancakes. Now I'm going to add some dates. Some pitted dates that I just chopped up. So 1 egg, 1 frozen banana diced, almond flour, pinch of sea salt, and some coconut oil, about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And that's everything that's in this bowl. And because I love cardamom, I'm also going to add some cardamom. About a teaspoon, a little less than a teaspoon of ground cardamom. I'm actually gonna add a little more almond flour. I think the batter is perfect, and now we're gonna make pancakes. And I have this small pan that's been preheating on the stove top, so I'm going to add a little butter and unsalted butter. If you've ever watched any of my videos and I don't specify when I say butter, it is always unsalted butter. If it's salted, I will specify, but if I just say butter, it is always unsalted butter. I forgot to add a little baking powder, a little more than a half a teaspoon. And this is cooking for about 5 minutes, so now I'm going to flip it. And it has the banana in there as well as the dates, so it's going to be a little browner because of the sugars that's cooking. Don't be worried if your pancakes looks a little brown. All right, back on the stove. So that was 5 minutes on each side over low heat, and that's what it looks like. I'm just using a small 8-inch stainless steel pan. I love this pan because I use it a lot. It's well seasoned, so stuff doesn't usually stick in there as much. Another pancake coming up. And this is for my infant daughter, and because my toddler loves peanut butter. I'll help you, baby. Here, how about I put it here? It's easier for you to see. There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Don't tell the kids that I had a little syrup on mine. They didn't get to have syrup. They had theirs. What are you, what are you guys doing?